As you can see now, I've done the same to the main fabric, and as you can see, the hem has been done in exactly the same way, but this time now this is going to be inserted. Here is weights for the curtain, so each one of these seams I'm putting weight in it, and the measurement for the main curtain, the hem, is a 6-inch hem, which is fold over, which is 3 inches. Now I've come to the stage again where I did it my usual way, and it's a lot more quicker, and this is the same day that I did the other video, which was the lining. This time now you can see all that surplus is there, and the way how the seam is done, can you see it? That's a technique that I've taught you, and on this side there's the finish, so I don't need to iron this. This is suede fabric. Suede and velvet are difficult to iron. Don't touch. So what I've done now is I've halved it, and I'm about to cut it. I've got one hand on the camera. Get started. Let me take the strain. And now I'm going to cut it, because the whole thing, as I told you before, it's in two halves. So 2.5 one side and 2.5 the other side. Now you may think, okay, she hasn't done a ruler and she hasn't done, how is she getting a straight line? Well, I've taken the strain on the fabric, and if it is a little bit wobbly, it doesn't matter. You can overdo things and be too perfect, but by the time I fold this over to get my 2-inch side seam, everything will be straightened up. Let me just show you when I open it up. Look at that seam going down the middle. Tell me if I need to iron that. That don't need ironing. Look at that, it's perfect. Look at that. Yeah, perfect. So that's it. The other video on the lining, I wasn't too happy when I put it up, because I thought I had the camera straight, but that's what it is. Okay, tip for the day. Oh, there's another thing I was going to say. When on the back blackout lining, I forgot to tell you, but when you pin it, this pin here, because it's suede, is because when I put it on the feller machine, the foot is that thick, so it'll pass it. But when it was on the blackout lining, you have to pin it right up to the edge, the way that you're going, so that as you're stitching, you pull the pins out, because if you pin it anyway, it creates holes, and you don't want to do that on blackout lining. So I forgot to tell you that. But here it is. That's one curtain done. I've got to do the other one.